Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we will be looking at a paid signal on 3commas marketplace called CIDA Premium. I'll be making a series of videos on the paid signals available in the marketplace, which I use or I've tested, and I'll be sharing it with you guys. But let's do the not so fun part first. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. Okay, so CIDA Premium. CIDA Premium is a signal that I've used for a while now, and it's one of my favorites. I'm still using it, and it supports on Binance for BTC and USDT pairs, on FTX with USD, on UOB for USDT. So let's go deeper and see what it really is. So first of all, it gives you it's a good signal for both USD or USDT and as well as BTC, and I run pods for both. Again, like all signals, you can always look at like how many signals are coming out, and you can see like at least on the fourth you have over 30 to 40 signals on different exchanges. Now, in terms of the bot settings, so this is the BTC, USDT for Binance, then here B, and so we're going to go and let's explore the settings for the USDT pair on Binance, just to be a little bit generic. So these, what the signal does is does not support all the coins. It supports specific coins, specific top coins that they have tested. So in that way, it is a bit safer to be investing in these coins rather than all coins. The take profit is 5%. You can bring it down during not so bullish times to say 3% with the trailing of 0.3. The base and the safety order are the same, and the maximum trade count is 4, safety is 1, and so on. So let's just copy this first. So click on copy, ignore bot and copy, ignore bot and copy, and then just wait for it and then edit settings. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so for naming, just for now, CIDA Premium. I will definitely do a video on just naming, so let's just keep it there, and it's using about 1,000, so 1,000. Okay, and USDT selected. Okay, let's move forward. So the first thing is that these are the pairs that it's supporting. Okay, then the max active deals are 10. The base order is 10, safety order is 10. So let's go through all of it first. The signal deal start condition is on CIDA Premium. Take profit is at 5 with the trailing of 2%, 0.2. Maximum safety trades are 4, and each trade is to be placed at 3% with the variation step up is 1.6 and step order scale 1.52, and the rest is one simultaneous deal. Okay, so if you look at the chart here, you will see that the first order will open at 3, the second following one will be at 7.56, then 14, almost 15, and then at 25. Now, if you want to make some changes, let's say you don't want too many active deals, so you bring down the deals to say 5. So you can see how it reflects over here. And then you want this to be bigger. Let's say 30. So you can see again it reflects over here on how much you're investing. I would say, like, I would go with a little bit bigger rather than 10-10, but like at least 20-20. Again, we come back to our 1,000. And then the take profit, you can always stick to what the settings that they are saying, but 5% would take a while for it to be the deal to close. And I think they do mention here or not. But normally these bots, they mention that, if you're keeping it 5%, 3%, 2%, take profit recommend could range from 3% to 15%. Trade closing duration will vary accordingly. A larger take profit percentage in the bull market and a lower take profit percentage in the bear market is more preferable. So when you're bullish, you can increase it to keep it to 5. When you think that things are not going good, you can bring it down to 2. I like the middle spot, and I increase it as we become more and more bullish at 3, and this keep I think 0.3 or 0.6. I prefer 0.3 at the moment. Safety orders are 4, so we can stick to this, or we can say, okay, I don't have that much money, so let's say I go with 3. So you see, it's a huge difference. But before at 4 you were getting 25% price deviation, but when you cut down to 3 you get somewhere around this. So how do you get this back? You get this back by making this, say, 5, something like this, 5.2, yeah, something like that. So now what happens is that you have less safety orders at 5.2, 13, and 25. Again, you only do this if you don't have the funds. I recommend sticking to their original settings. There's a reason why they have it. Again, for this one also, it's 1.6. I recommend sticking to the original settings, but you can always bring it down to 1.1 and you can see the huge difference over here. But we stick to the original ones. And yeah, so this is these are the settings for CIDA Premium. I would say it's one of the best signals out there. It uses the top coins, and it's pretty frequent. It supports USDT and USD and BTC. So it's a good signal where you can run a few bots, or run a bot on BTC and run a bot on USDT as well. So yeah, that's my take on the CIDA Premium signals. Their support is good as well. You can always email them. And yeah, so if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button. Do subscribe if you want to stay tuned with more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz Van Winkle, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.